अभी तो मैं सिर्फ समझाने आया हूँ। अगली बार आऊंगा ना तो 6 की 6 डाल दूंगा भेजे। हेलो, देवी प्रसाद घर पर है?
अभी 10 मिनट पहले चल बसे। आपको कुछ बोलना था?
चल बसे
कूतरा साला देख के नंबर डाल कर ये तो साले।
Not to face Dale Steyn today.
Sorry?
Were you disappointed that Dale Steyn wasn't playing today? It is too soft.
It doesn't matter which bowler is play because the wicket is very good. You see, so I love play Dale Steyn because the Dale Steyn is not dangerous. Morris is very dangerous because they have a height and swing the ball. Dale Steyn only pace. So this wicket is good for a pacer. Ball is coming good for a bat. So I'm not happy Dale Steyn is not play. I'm saying Dale Steyn is not playing, we are not happy.